Week after week, you reach out to clients to share the incredible potential of your product. You passionately present every feature and benefit, and yet, sometimes it feels like your message isn't getting through. But fear not, for in these moments, you're not doing anything wrong.
ARIKAYCE delivers both liposomal and free amikacin into the lungs through nebulization. Liposomal amikacin is encapsulated by Pulmovance technology, which delivers amikacin sulfate directly to the site of infection. Non-tuberculous mycobacteria can infect macrophages and other cells. They can also live outside of cells in biofilms. Liposomal amikacin is taken up by macrophages, allowing for delivery into infected cells. Liposomal amikacin can also penetrate biofilms, as shown in a study of Mycobacterium avium complex. Macrophages are the primary reservoir for NTM, so we'll focus there. Here inside the macrophage is the culprit in MAC lung disease, MAC bacteria.
Following collection from the patient, these T cells are genetically engineered using viral vector gene therapy technology to express a chimeric antigen receptor that encodes an extracellular BCMA targeting domain and an intracellular set of signaling domains.
B. burgdorferi is transmitted to dogs through the bite of an ixodes or black-legged tick. B. burgdorferi must be capable of surviving in vastly different environments within both the tick vector and dog host. One method in which B. burgdorferi has adapted to survival is through its ability to change outer surface proteins, or OSPs.
When hematopoietic stem cells divide, one of the new cells remains a stem cell, while the other can differentiate into a mature blood cell through a linear differentiation pathway, forming red and white blood cells and platelets. Blood cancers result from a cell becoming arrested in the differentiation pathway, for example due to a genetic mutation. The abnormal cell does not mature or function normally and can also replicate, leading to cancer. Blood cancers can be classified as malignant myeloid or lymphoid disease based on their lineage.
Medication overuse headache, or MOH. Recall that MOH is a secondary headache that occurs on at least 15 days per month and results from excessive use of acute headache medication. It's also called a rebound headache. MOH is a concern because patients with migraine who overuse acute medication are at increased risk for developing chronic migraine.
Start by asking customers the right questions and genuinely listening to their needs, values, and challenges. Engage them in a discussion that reshapes how they perceive their issues. By asking insightful questions, you'll ignite a sense of urgency within your customers to seek resolution. This is what we call blowing up the problem balloon. Once you've aligned on the problem and kindled a desire to resolve it, tailor your solution to fit your customers' unique values, needs, and challenges. Finally, infuse the conversation with positive tension and propel it forward, guiding your clients toward a course-changing decision.
Inside the bacterium, the cytoplasm appears granular because it's densely packed with ribosomes. Ribosomes are where protein synthesis happens. They're essentially protein-making machines. The bacteria needs proteins to function and survive. Let's pause to remember the central dogma of molecular biology. Genetic information flows in one direction. First, a DNA template is used to create a complementary strand of mRNA. This is called transcription. Next, ribosomes translate the mRNA's code into amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. The ribosome strings the amino acids together to form a polypeptide chain, which is assembled into a protein. Let's see what protein synthesis looks like inside bacteria.
There are other Lyme vaccines that generate antibodies against OSP-A and OSP-C only. These vaccines may also miss the opportunity to protect against B. burgdorferi organisms expressing other OSPs.
Let's review some key characteristics of the three main types of blood cancer. Leukemias originate in the bone marrow and then flood the bloodstream. They result from production of abnormal leukocytes or lymphocytes from the myeloid and lymphoid lineages. Lymphomas are found in lymph organs and tissues and result from production of abnormal lymphocytes from the lymphoid lineage. Multiple myeloma is found in the bone marrow and results from abnormal plasma cell production from the lymphoid lineage.
Elevate your sales journey by embracing solution selling. It's not just about what you're selling, it's about the transformative impact you can bring to your clients' lives. Now go out there and inspire change.